Issue 1. Minimal clumpy grounds dispensed, or no grounds at all. Cause: grind setting is set too low, 0 to 5. When coffee grounds absorb moisture from the air, they will clump together and jam the chute. Solution: 1. Empty any remaining beans from the machine. 2. Use a cleaning brush to clean grind chute. Then, run a grind cycle to clear leftover beans inside, and discard the grounds. Remove the burr set, and clean it thoroughly with the brush. Reattach only the bean hopper. Then, run a grind cycle to flush out all residual grounds completely. Reinstall the burr set and bean hopper back into place. 3. Increase the grind setting above 15 to fix the no ground output problem. Issue 2. Insufficient coffee grounds output. Cause: grind setting is too low, producing an overly fine grind and low output volume. Solution: adjust the grind setting to 15. You can also press and hold the grind button to enter custom mode. Increase the grind duration, then release the button to save the setting automatically. Issue 3. Excessive coffee grounds output. Cause: grind setting is too high, producing an overly coarse grind and too much output. Solution: adjust the grind setting down to 15. You can also press and hold the grind button to enter custom mode. Decrease the grind duration, then release the button to save the setting automatically. Issue 4. No coffee brews, or only a small amount of coffee is dispensed. Cause: grind setting is too low. Overly fine grounds prevent proper extraction. Solution: increase the grind setting to 15 or higher to restore normal extraction. Cause 2. Custom brew time is set too short. If you release the brew button too quickly when programming, the brew cycle will be too short to make a full cup. Solution: press and hold the brew button to enter custom mode. You can either increase the brew time or reset it back to the factory default. Cause 3. Mineral scale clogs internal water lines if descaling is skipped for around 3 months, restricting brew water flow. Solution: perform a descaling cycle to resolve this. You deserve a better experience.